Alright guys, welcome back to the first update on Tropical Cyclone Dingani, which formed quite a few days ago now, but it is really getting itself together, or at least it was really getting itself together. Microwave imagery, there was a well-developed eye wall in the storm system, a fully developed inner core there was, and that is still a thing right now. The storm's been trying to clear out an eye. It's been doing pretty well at this stage. It's sort of been closing up, then it's coming back out and closing up. But it is pretty strong, and it's probably a Category 2 tropical cyclone at this time. I'm currently giving it maximum sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. That is 90 knots, gusting with winds of 120 miles per hour, and it is currently moving southwest at 14 miles per hour as this status update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So let's take a look at the estimates here. ATCF 80 miles per hour. Mateo France going for 75 miles per hour and 10-minute winds. And yeah, we're going with 100 miles per hour. And if you look at satellite imagery on the storm, you'll see the eye. It was definitely really trying to clear itself out. It has closed up again, but we are keeping that 100 miles per hour. But we likely, if the eye doesn't clear out within the next hour or two, we will probably downgrade it maybe to 90 or 95 miles per hour. Probably 90 though, because of course 95, if you convert into knots, it doesn't really exist. Take a look at the JTWC forecast cone here. We can see currently they are going to upgrade it to 70 knots. They were expecting it to reach 70 knots, we think it's a bit stronger than that. And that really rapid weakening, it really does rapidly weaken while moving southwest. That is due to wind shear really will increase. Sea surface temperatures at that point will also start dwindling as well. And yeah, Freddy could even last really long. Freddy could even make a landfall in Madagascar. At least that's what the GFS's latest run has been predicting. A landfall in Madagascar. As a moderately strong cyclone as well, but Dingani is expected to be a pretty short-lived storm. It's going to last for the next probably 5 days before them dying off, probably as a remnant low by then. Take a look at the GFS Ensembles. And you can see 988 millibars. You can see that really rapid weakening trend. Most of the ensembles taking it southeastwards at the end, but some of them take it towards Mauritius and La Réunion and Madagascar, but as a really weak, likely remnant low at that time. And you can see every single ensemble expecting the storm to be a remnant low by that point. Take a look at visible imagery here. We can see a really nice structure with the storm system, a good eye-like feature. That really, like I said before, it really did try and clear itself out, and it did have pretty good success at some points. We did actually at one point have it at 105 miles per hour, but we have since downgraded that down to 100 miles per hour. And yeah, overall very good structure with the storm. Here's some more IR imagery here, and you can see a really nice structure, minus 80 degrees in that northern eye wall there, and minus 70s, pretty decent. You can see that gap in the middle. That isn't actually where the eye is at this stage, sorry. It's actually just south of that main convection block on the northern side, but it really did try and clear itself out just a few hours ago. And if it does clear itself out, we could be seeing maybe a Category 3, but that is a bit outlandish at this time. It's probably already peaked. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Dingani. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.